Hi there, welcome to Easy Learning 700. In this tutorial, I will teach you some of the basic concepts of accounting, and this slide will also be available for download. You can download this slide from the link in the description box. So first of all, what is accounting? So accounting is the language of the business. Like humans have language, so business has language, and that language is accounting. In accounting, we record, classify, and summarize the financial information. We record the information in the journal, and then we classify that information. And after the classification of information, we summarize the financial information. So, why is accounting needed? Why there is a need of accounting? So, the need of accounting is because the business person wants to know the performance of the business. So, accounting information tells the performance of the business, and not only just tell the performance of the business, it also provide information which helps in decision making. So now, what is a budget? Budget is a plan. It is a plan of income, expenses, and other financial operation for a future period. So it is for future, not for present, but it is for future. Now the concept of costing. So according to this concept, a person who is making or producing anything, so a person who is a producer, so a producer must only know not only know the production cost, but also know the selling cost, the cost at which the product could be sold. So if a person does not know the selling cost, so a producer may face loss. So it is necessary to know the selling price of the product. Now the barter trading and barter transactions. Before the invention of money, there were goods exchange against other goods. So there were concept of barter trading and barter transaction. So trading one commodity or service for another commodity of service is called barter trading, and every transaction where goods are exchanged for goods is called a barter transaction. Now the money measurement concept. After the invention of money, money measurement concept came. Now any commodity or goods could be measured in money value. So this is the money measurement concept. We can measure the value of anything, means any product or service, in money. So this is the money measurement concept. Now the cash and credit transactions. So cash transaction is that in which money is paid when the goods are exchanged, and on the other hand, if the payment is delayed for a future time, the transaction is the credit transaction. Now the different types of business organization. Generally there are three types of business organization. There are also other types, but three main types, which are the profit organization, profit oriented organization. So first one is the sole proprietorship. So according to DWT Stafford, it is the simplest form of business organization which is owned and controlled by one man. So there is only one owner of this organization. The most common example of sole proprietorship is a shop. Most of the shops are owned by one person. So shop is the most common example of sole proprietorship. There could be another examples. So there may be an office where only one owner. So all the organization which have only one owner is the sole proprietorship. Second type is the partnership. So according to the Partnership Act 1932, it is the relation between persons who have agreed to share the profit of a business carried on by all, or any of them acting for all. So in partnership there are more than one owner, at least two owners, and these two owners are partners, and they share the profit of a business. And the last type of business organization is the joint stock company. It is the unique type of organization. So according to S.E. Thomas, a company is an incorporated association of persons formed usually for the pursuit of some commercial purposes. Company is an artificial person. Just like humans are a person, so company is also person, but it is an artificial person. So it is a unique type of organization. The owner and the business is separate in company. So this was today's lecture. If you have any question, you can ask. And if you want to download this slide, you can download from the link in the description box. Thanks for watching.